What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I am going to provide you so much value. Don't click off this video or I'll slap your freaking mom, I swear to God. But basically, if you're anything like me, I hate searching for products, okay? It's literally the most important thing you could do when starting an Amazon FBA business or any type of online business is to find a product to sell, and nobody likes doing it. Basically, not me only, but a lot of people, I'm sure, have found a way to find profitable products literally without doing any freaking work, okay? I don't have to do work. I don't have to actually research these products, okay? The products come to me. I'm gonna actually jump into my computer and I'm gonna show you step by step what I do to find profitable products without doing any product research. The first and only website that I use to find products without actually finding products is Fiverr. So if you go to Fiverr, make an account on Fiverr, okay? Super easy, super simple, super quick. Go right here to the search up, Amazon FBA research. Enter. Boom, look at this. You could literally pay somebody $70 to find you, let's just click this guy, I don't know. 2 winning products, US, plus bonuses for $70. 70 bucks. Or you could do 4 winning products for $135, or 3 winning products for $100. Okay? That's just one person. Now, if you are looking for a cheaper way, go to this guy right here. I don't know, it doesn't really matter. 2 products with complete analysis, plus intro to product research, plus keywords, plus calculations, plus product photos for $10. This guy's willing to do everything for $10. 4 products for $30. That's less than $10 per product. Now, when you message these people, okay, like when you click on them, don't just buy the service, contact them, okay, tell them, hey, I want to sell a specific product, right? They'll ask you what your criteria is, and you're gonna say, oh, I want to sell things in the beauty niche, or I want to sell things in the whatever niche you want to sell your product in, right? So contact them first, get everything straight, and ask them to send you a custom order. They'll send you a custom order with your criteria on it. Buy it, you get a product. So for the sake of this video, I actually went ahead and I already ordered a product from somebody, and I will show you it right now. This is what they came up with. It's called a contour gauge, okay? It's basically, you put it against like a corner or something. Let's say like you're laying down tile or whatever, right? And it's in a corner. What you'll do is you'll place this in the corner, and it'll basically, it's kind of like this. It'll give you the shape of what you want, and you could trace it on a piece of wood and put it in a corner, whatever, right? Super simple. It's actually a pretty decent product. So one thing I want to talk about is, how do you know if the product is actually profitable, right? Here's what I use, and this is a super helpful tool. If you do Amazon FBA, I would recommend 100% that you need this freaking tool. It's called Jungle Scout, okay? I'm sure a lot of you guys have heard of it. If you haven't, it's basically a service that tells you how much your competitors are making, how many reviews they have. It just goes through all of it. I'm gonna show you guys how to use it and what it actually does. But basically, here's how much it costs. It is a subscription-based product. So the web-based software is $39 a month. The extension is $19 a month, and both of them together are 50 bucks a month, which is not bad. So basically, here's the web-based, and when you download the extension, it shows up right here. Basically, you'll go to whatever product that you want to do research on, right? You'll click the Jungle Scout button. This will come up. And when it loads, I'll probably have a full-grown white beard and fucking on my deathbed. God damn it. Just let it kind of load through, and it'll Eventually it'll show everybody, all your competitors and whatnot. This is crazy. Like, I'm literally showing you guys a product that could potentially make you so much money. First things first, the opportunity score right here. This basically tells you if it's high demand with medium competition. So the higher this number, obviously the better. Sometimes it'll show like low demand with high competition, and it'll probably be like a 4, or it'll tell you high demand with low competition or high demand with high competition. It'll give you a certain number, but the lower the number, the worse. The higher the number, the better. I personally don't really care about this number. What I do care about is the reviews for the top sellers. You can see that the reviews are not bad. The top like 10 people, right? You'll basically like kind of sort of go through that, go off of that, I mean. So the first person has 935 reviews. Now, if you guys are new to Amazon, you should know that getting reviews on your product is one of the hardest things to do. So what you want to look for is when you're looking at the reviews, you want them all to be kind of sort of like equal, right? You don't want like one person just dominating that specific keyword and then the rest are just complete crap. So when you look at this right here, right, you have the first one obviously has 935 reviews. They're making a pretty good amount of money, $28,000 a month. So, and then you have 94, 51, 36. So this from like right here to like right here, these are all like okay. But if you were to see like 3,000, 1,000, 1,000, 2,000, 4,000, if it's like that, if you see a product with those kind of reviews, immediately click off of it. You do not need it. Do not need it. But now if you click this, the reviews, it'll show you all the people that have a lot of reviews. So for this specific product, it's kind of competitive, but it's not too bad. The top earner is making $85,000 a month. That's actually fucking good. You also want to check how many monthly sales are making. This is super important because if you just have like 50 sales, 10 sales, 5 sales, 30 sales, that's obviously there's no demand for the product. Nobody wants the product. But this guy's making 4,266 monthly sale at $20. He's profiting $12.28. So his total FBA fee is $7. He's profiting $12 minus however much the product is making. So I mean, if the product costs $5, he's making $7. That's not bad at all. You'll kind of go through. So first thing is reviews. If the first like 5 people are just completely dominating that keyword or that product, there's almost no guarantee that you're gonna be successful selling this product through this keyword, contour gauge, or whatever product you use. Second thing is daily sales, monthly sales. Okay, if they're making consistent, like these are not bad. Obviously there's a demand for this product. I mean, they're making 4,000, 3,000, 2,000, 1,000, 3,000, 1,300, 1,300, 1,400, 900. These are pretty good sales, okay? Pricing, they're all about the same, except for this one. Probably gets it for really cheap or something, who knows. He's not really profiting very much from the product. Actually, I don't even know how he's even profiting. And the last thing you want to check for is you don't want one brand that has like 10 different listings. See right here, so there's this brand right here, this brand right here, this brand. They're all different brands, right? So it's not just one brand completely taking over. So that's also good. So this is literally an amazing product right here. Like, if you guys want to sell on Amazon, this is literally a decent product. If you guys want to completely dominate this keyword, I would recommend you bundle this product with something else. So I don't know, I actually was going through this listing and I saw this one right here has a pencil. This one is selling 2 pieces, like 2 different sizes. This one's selling I think that's a tape measure, 2 pencils, 2 different sizes. These people are definitely making money. Like, what the hell is this? A ruler or whatever the hell? A pencil? I think that's a bag for all of this. Like, this is amazing. If you can find a product to bundle with this product, you're literally guaranteed to make money every single month for the rest of your life, probably, honestly. I don't know. Now, another thing you should definitely make sure you check out is how much volume this certain keyword or other keywords related to this product have. So that's why you get the web-based Jungle Scout thing. You'll search up contour gauge, search. Contour gauge has 69,000 searches a month. 69,000. Saker contour gauge duplicator. Sounds like a brand. 8,000. Saker contour duplication gauge. 5,000, 5,000, 3,000, 3,000. When you're looking for keywords, I'd recommend you find keywords that have like between 5 and like 25,000 searches a month. It won't be too oversaturated, but it'll have enough volume for you to make enough sales a month or a day. So, but this one, I mean, contour gauge, this keyword is really, honestly, it's not bad at all. I mean, this is a great product to, if you want to start out. This is one way that, actually, this is one of the only ways that I find products on Amazon. It's easy, it's affordable, it doesn't take any time at all, really. All you have to do is just pay people, they find you a product, you check the product, and you even get revisions through the people that find your product. So if you don't like it, you'd be like, hey, explain to them, hey, like this didn't meet my criteria, can you find me another one? 9 times out of 10, they'll be more than glad to, you know, find you another product. Please let me know if you enjoyed the video, and if you did like the video. If you didn't like the video, then dislike the video. It doesn't really matter to me. Leave a comment down below what kind of video you want to see next, and make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.